What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I know nobody likes straws. They are evil. Hey, at least the plastic straws are on everyone's hit list and you can't get them anywhere because there was a sea turtle that had a PVC pipe stuck in its nose, but put straws on the defensive. That means if you want straws, you might want to pick up something like this, especially if you go to restaurants. A lot of restaurants aren't even providing straws, even if you ask for them. And I've got the camera set up funny here because I need to demonstrate this little bad boy to you. I just picked this up. It's by Yassk. Stainless steel metal drinking straw in red. And what's a little interesting about this is it doesn't look like a straw. It looks like a key fob or something like that. So this little nylon fabric pouch here looks pretty good. Houses some fancy straws. So you get this little pouch, you get a brush here for cleaning these straws, and then you get the straws right here. As you can see, they kind of look like short pens. So the way this sucker works is you can see here, you got a stainless steel tube and kind of a little plastic adapter that'll give you kind of that straw-like texture and effect because it's nice and thin as opposed to the thick stainless steel. And then you can see we have a threaded end here. So these two thread together just like this, and then you can extend them out. Boom! So you get what looks like to be pretty typical length straw. Actually, I'd call it a long straw. And in the pouch, we get a couple of additional, I call them like bite guards, bite ends, so that you could pull these off potentially and replace them with a new one. So the question is, does it work? And that's why I put this camera at a funny angle. Grabbed myself some apple cider. Who doesn't love apple cider? Thought we'd give this thing a shot. I can see all the way through it. Definitely means it's hollow. All right. And I needed something colored so that you could see if it's actually working. Kid tested, mother approved. Hey, this little stainless steel drinking straw does work. And like I said, you can take it home and clean it up because now you can retract it, unscrew it, put it back in your little pouch, take it home, clean it up. Retractable drinking straw. I'll be honest, I never thought I'd see this invented. But there's a need for it these days. And if you need it because you like drinking through a straw, there's a lot of reasons that people do. I've heard some people like coffee and they don't want it passing over their teeth to stain it, so they like drinking it through a straw. Some people just like drinking, like juicy drinks that have a lot of particulate in them, like drinking it from the bottom. Lots of reasons. I'm not judging you. Whatever reason you want makes sense to me. Pick it up. Put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out!